And President Obama plans to make housing mortgages more affordable in an effort to restore economic security to middle-class families. He made this announcement today in Phoenix, Arizona, as part of his three-state swing, promoting the platforms of his State of the Union address on January 20th. One America's Augusta Cassada has more from the White House.
White House officials have been eager to get the president out of Washington and start shifting the political conversation towards their agenda. And so Thursday in Phoenix, President Obama announced plans to cut fees on mortgages in an effort to make buying a home less expensive. This is music to the ears of the housing industry and homeowner advocates who have been pressing the White House to lower the fees with hopes of sparking the sluggish market. Of course, as you might imagine, Republicans are pushing back. They warn this could put taxpayer funds at risk. House Republicans have criticized the Federal Housing Administration holding hearings during the last Congress because they want the agency to play a smaller role in the market. So the announcement of the president's new plan could be yet another cause for conflict in the new year. One American News spoke with Mark Calabria of the Cato Institute, and he says Americans need to keep in mind that it's hard to buy a house if you don't have the income.
There's certainly a lot of concern about the first-time home buyer. In the past, we've tried to make it easier to buy a house despite lack of income growth by, easing credit standards, reducing down payments, increasing debt to income, just basically lowering underwriting standards. And of course, that turned out really badly. So we found out the hard way that if people don't have the income to actually pay for the mortgage, it doesn't really turn out well for them or for the greater economy.
The White House is spinning this with the idea that this change would benefit existing homeowners while also helping new home buyers. This power to cut FHA fees lies within the administration's authority and is coincidentally one of the more aggressive policy actions the president can take to boost the housing market without help from the new Republican-controlled Congress. It goes without saying that this unilateral action could place even more distance between the White House and Capitol Hill in the upcoming year. Augusta Cassada, One American News, Washington.